The in-home fitness solution is here with the SFRW5515 magnetic rowing machine. The efficient footprint design does not require a lot of space, making this a perfect machine for any home. Magnetic resistance can make a workout fun and satisfying. Vary your workouts with the 8 levels of resistance. Rowing machines use over 80% of the body's skeletal muscle. Virtually no impact is placed on the body, reducing the amount of stress on the joints. The digital monitor calculates your workout gains and losses. The fully padded seat and non-slip grip handlebar provides optimal comfort, support, and performance for those long-duration workouts. Large anti-slip pivoting foot pedals allow for increased range of motion for more efficient strokes. The slide rail is smooth and quiet, and the length can accommodate many heights. Storage is simple with the foldable design and integrated transportation wheels. Once you start, you won't stop with the SFRW5515 magnetic rowing machine.